Who are you? Get that thing away.
It's you, I found you.
Lady, I don't know who you think you found, but you need to leave right now.
Wait, aren't you? You're Agent Carter from the Central Defense.
Shut up! Well, out loud, people got killed for less.
What do you know about the Astra?
Questions. Nobody knows who runs their agency or even who works for them. But they have people everywhere and have worked behind the shadows with everyone. Leave it alone.
Wait just a second. What do you know about the agency's methods of dealing with unwanted people?
I have nothing to say. Go away.
Please. My sister went missing in Amsterdam and you're all I've got.
I want to make these people angry. We've been known to make people disappear, but they have ways to completely erase them. And there are rumors of other weapons beyond our understanding.
Weapons?
Something happened in their agency about a year ago and they just disappeared from the face of the earth. It looks like they're back now and looking for fresh blood. What's that? What's that? Is that your phone? You have no idea what you just did. Run! Get out of here!